Deep inside one of the world's most advanced macadamia nut factories, every second counts.
From the moment they arrive, efficiency becomes law. Every mechanical breath signals discipline in motion. Before refinement begins, nature must be stripped away. Rotating drums vibrate with mechanical rhythm, shaking. Human precision meets machine perfection. Accuracy becomes the heartbeat of quality. Inside the testing chamber, science takes command. Purity begins with motion.
Moisture removed, momentum preserved. Only the strongest shells survive the crack.
Separation becomes a dance of vibration. Precision defines value. Heat softens potential.
Slicing transforms raw form into culinary possibility. Flavor begins where motion meets chemistry.
A glossy coat defines indulgence. Heat locks flavor into form. Order is the language of automation. Sterility ensures trust. UV light floods a sealed tunnel as trays pass through in a glowing procession. Packaging must be flawless. Identity is placed without hesitation. Bulk preparation begins with relentless precision. Even protection is automated.
Storage is not rest, it's motion waiting.
The journey continues beyond the factory walls.
Regional hubs refine the flow. Forklifts unload pallets with rapid, practiced motion, organizing them across designated lanes.
Before shelves are stocked, precision still rules.
Retail preparation becomes an assembly of speed.
The final transport begins. Delivery vans receive crates in carefully balanced loads as workers and machines collaborate in synchronized motion.
Retail shelves await the product of industrial mastery.
Presentation reflects the unseen labor behind the scenes. Even here, the silent influence of industrial efficiency remains visible.
Selection becomes part of the producter's journey.
Verification maintains trust at the final step.
Even the simplest motion holds a story.
The journey ends where satisfaction begins.
Behind every bite lies an empire of motion.
Every transformation begins long before packaging.
Heat becomes a sculptor of flavor. Rotating drums turn slowly yet steadily, coating the nuts in golden warmth.
Texture emerges through precision. A second layer of flavor awaits the chosen batches. Consistency is engineered through repetition. Even the smallest detail receives industrial attention. Quality assurance never sleeps. Freshness is secured through airtight precision. Structural protection begins here. Every surface must remain untouched and clean.
Automation thrives on harmony.
Structure meets elegance.
Precision filling begins. Pouches dive into these boxes via guided chutes that align them just before release. The camera pushes against
Protection doubles down.
Closure follows choreography. Verification guards the final product. Every label tells a journey. Outer protection seals the promise.
Movement never ceases. The journey re-enters logistics. Autonomous forklifts collect finished stacks from the final line, lifting them smoothly with perfectly calibrated.
Coordination guides every outbound move. Precision defines dispatch. Loading becomes an industrial choreography.
Balance ensures safe travel. Sensors scan the truck's interior, guiding forklifts and pallet jacks to distribute weight evenly.
Sealing signals readiness. Motion becomes a network. Trucks depart the facility in a steady procession, each time to maintain efficient routing. Hubs amplify the flow.
Adaptability drives progress. Retail distribution thrives on velocity. The final supply chain narrows into focus.
Arrival restores the product to the human world.
Preparation transforms product into experience. Display becomes expression.
Lighting reveals the final craft.
Choice becomes interaction. Every purchase triggers one last process.
verification closes the loop.
Packaging meets purpose.
Exit marks completion. But the cycle never ends. Long before consumers ever taste luxury,
The cycle begins with the land.
Collection itself is a study in precision.
Transfer becomes transformation.
Arrival triggers efficiency. Gravity partners with engineering. Inclined conveyors lift the nuts toward primary inspection stations. The camera tracks the
Early filtration removes nature's chaos. Strong air blowers send gusts across the moving nuts, lifting away dust and lightweight debris.
Impact tests reveal hidden weaknesses.
Pressure separates quality.
Moisture control begins the internal refinement. Nuts descend into a humidity-regulated chamber where warm air circulates in spiral currents.
Shell strength decides the cracking cadence. The cracking room beats like a mechanical heart. Shell fragments never stand a chance. Gentle heat awakens aroma. Kernels travel through a slow-moving infrared warming tunnel that enhances natural oils.
Flavor infusion begins with controlled flow.
Drying restores balance.
Cooling locks in texture.
Grinding transforms Sorm's select kernels into luxurious paste. Filling brings form to the product. As the buttery mixture enters precision depositors, pumps dispense exact volumes. Every jar reflects mastery. Automation never rests, not even at the micro level. Filtered oil becomes liquid gold. Purity becomes performance. Cooling shapes character.
The business won't look at it. 20 is going to filter us also unfortunately not right.
Bottling transforms liquid into product.
Glass meets identity. A powerful labeling cylinder rotates at high speed, pressing printed wraps onto each bottle with exact alignment.
Safety extends to every detail. No bottle escapes without perfect integrity. Boxes rise to meet the product. Protection ensures longevity. Closure signals near completion. Scanning drives direction.
Elevation prepares for dispatch.
Preparation extends to protection. Departure becomes destiny.
Roads become arteries of distribution. Trucks pull away in steady intervals, merging into coordinated logistics routes. The camera cranes above them. Arrival renews momentum. The macadamia products join a global network in constant motion.
Across oceans, efficiency remains unseen but present.
The cycle reaches its final chapters. At foreign distribution hubs, conveyors unload containers with rapid coordination.
Luxury survives journey because precision never falters. East Asian retailers receive the imported macadamias,